Rian. I'm Alex.
Hi guys, I'm Katie.
What's up guys? I'm Alvin.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
Oh my god.
This cannot go.
I'm weak.
A ding dong.
It's a turtle.
I'm not a turtle. I'm obviously a pineapple.
Little bit of salt. Pow, pow, pow. That's all you need right there.
Or
Time to get lit.
oh yeah.
I'm going to add a little sugar. Look at that. I mean, this whipped cream looks really pretty. Oh no, oh no. It's salt!
Hey, let's make up theme songs. Betsy and I love to sing songs at work.
Yeah, ready?
It's tasting the musical.
Like one song would be like, gotta get the bite shot. Gotta get that bite shot. I just dropped a bowl in my bowl. Oh,
What
no.
about the cheese ball?
Oh, the cheese ball.
I like this beat. That's the egg beat. All right, I'm done. Beautiful stack. It's like I got the cheddar, like in the rap music videos.
This was the worst idea I've ever had. At least you got the song.
Do you want to give it a name?
Eggy.
Okay.
Like a cute egg baby.
Eggy's gonna hang out in the water.
Eggy has served as well.
Eggy has served us well. Thank you for your sacrifice. May you rest in pieces. If you want to give it a name before we cut it in half, you're more than welcome to.
Well, let's name this after your middle name, which is Carl with K.
Why did you have to tell them my middle name?
Would you like a glass of milk? Sure, Katie. Let me just get my milk scissors.
Scissors? Wait.
And then, yep.
No.
Yep.
I
Are you
don't.
ready?
I don't.
Are you
I don't
ready?
think that this is. Okay.
Do you
Before
not
Katie
want
makes
some
a
milk?
mess, let's see
With
what
your
Mac
coffee?
is doing. Thanks, Katie and Michi. Thanks, Katie and Michi. Thanks, Katie and Michi.
Hen lays one egg every 26 hours. So that means for one hen to lay 100 eggs. That would be, damn it, I'm Asian, I should be knowing this better.
Wow, beautiful. So is
Now?
there
Now?
Whoa.
I make the drink real fast.
Whoa! I'm running with this. This is like a torture device.
Is she taking this hair from other people?
Yeah, she's ripping hairs out.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay, so I can try it? Or it's like,
Yeah.
oh, sorry.
Don't worry
Oh
about
God, I'm so sorry. I'm so
Don't worry.
sorry.
Happy holidays, Rian! This is what I look like at every holiday party.
It still kind of reminds me of like some sea creature.
Call me a turtle again, Rian.
Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it, tree.
Eat it, tree.
What is the difference between elf and leprechaun?
Because I
Just looking at this, I can see how the like infomercial would come together. Are you tired of like spilling?
It's not like, look at me. It's like, look at me.
We ain't got no money for no marinade. This is dollar dish. No, I tried to make sure I just drizzled him on there. You remember that? Pow, pow. Y'all remember that? Now, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter. And again, if you put a little bit extra, ain't nothing to worry about. Put 3.5.
Make you fancy, Alvin.
Oh no, we're making it big. That's the name of the show.
Ho, ho, ho! Special delivery from the North Pole. I like it.
Let's find out.
Yeah. Do you want
You
me
feed it to
feed
me?
you?
Yeah, it's slippery.
Don't forget to dance. Make it fancy. 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 Make it fancy.
Oh yes.